In this video, I'm going to talk about Scoop.it. You can find it on their website, which is scoop.it, Scoop.it. And you can see the homepage right now. This is how it looks like, and you need to sign up for a free account. I used my Twitter account. You could also use Facebook or sign up with email. And they also have a premium option, but you don't need that. So I will just log into my account, log in with Twitter. And as you can see, it's very easy to do, and it will redirect me to the dashboard. Now you can see Philipp Kleutgen, that's my account. And what we want to do is we want other people to scoop our content. So you could do this on your own. Just create a new scoop. You will see this little window up here. I copied my latest article, put it in, click the button, and it will show you what it looks like. You can edit the title if you want to, and you can click to edit the image, and you can also add a comment if you scooped something that somebody else wrote, and then you can decide if you want to share it on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other social media. And I will just click publish for now. Okay, your scoop has been published on blogging. Blogging is my own dashboard here, so you can see what I submitted before. I'm not very active on this platform. Maybe I could get even more traffic if I used this more effectively. You can add suggested content to your own blog on Scoop.it, but I usually don't do that. So what I want to show you is go to the home page, and you will see the latest scoops by other people. For example, here's my scoop, here's a scoop by Jeff Domansky, and when you scroll further down, here's a scoop by Kamal Benani, and there are several more. You just have to look for it. So here's another one. And what you want to do is you want to find the most active Scoop.it users. You can do this just by clicking either on the name, or what I prefer is look for a post related to your own topic, then click on the name of their Scoop.it dashboard. And now you can see in the right top corner, this blog has 219,000 views and 267 today alone. So this is really a lot of views, and we want to submit our content to Jeff, and maybe he will publish it on his own blog. So let's see if we can do that. No, he doesn't seem to have an option. So we need to just hit the back button, go to the next person, again, click on his blog. And now you can see, although this is not my dashboard, but a blog by Kamal Benani, I can suggest my own link for him to share, and I will do so. There you go, and I click suggest. And that's all. You can do this as often as you like. And to get this published on his blog, which got 130 views today, he needs to approve my content. So you just need to do this often enough. And we will do it one more time, just so you really get to know how to do it. Here's another one, social media marketing. That's okay for my topic. And you can see he only got 9 views today, but that's okay for me now. I just want to show you, suggest, and you're ready to go. You can do this up to 10 times a day. If you want to submit more content, you need to upgrade for a premium account. But if you submit 10 suggestions a day, you will be fine. And I will show you an example here. This was just from one Scoop.it post. And you can see here, Scoop.it referral. And this brought me 52 visitors, 19 in one day. And it was a small spike I got, and then it paneled out over the month. And you can definitely scale this up with a premium account, and even with a free account. You could outsource it to somebody, or you can just submit your content each time you publish a new article, and it will add up with the other traffic sources I showed you before.